Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking for: how to save money for a house. Owning a house is a dream for many, and we're here to help you turn that dream into a reality. So, whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, stick around because we've got some fantastic tips and strategies that will set you on the path to homeownership. 1. Setting your goal. The first step to saving money for your dream house is setting a clear and achievable goal. Take a moment to envision your ideal home, the location, size, and features you desire. Once you have a picture in mind, set a specific savings target. Remember, being specific helps you stay motivated. 2. Budgeting like a pro. Budgeting is crucial when it comes to saving for a house. Start by tracking your expenses for a month to understand where your money goes. Cut back on unnecessary expenses and focus on saving more. Allocate a certain percentage of your income to a dedicated house fund. And don't worry, we'll show you how to have fun while sticking to your budget. 3. Automate your savings. Saving money doesn't have to be a hassle. Set up automatic transfers to your house fund on your payday. This way, you won't even miss the money, and your savings will grow consistently. Remember, consistency is the key to success. 4. Diversify your income. Why rely on a single income source when you can diversify? Explore side hustles or freelancing opportunities that align with your skills and interests. The extra income you generate can significantly accelerate your savings and bring you closer to that dream house. 5. Take advantage of saving accounts. Consider opening a high-yield savings account to maximize the growth of your money. These accounts offer better interest rates than regular savings accounts, helping your money grow even faster. Make sure to compare different options and choose the one that suits you best. 6. Research first-time homebuyer programs. As a first-time homebuyer, there might be special programs and incentives available to you. Research and explore these opportunities that can ease the burden of down payments and closing costs. These programs can be a game changer. 7. Team up with a savings buddy. Saving for a house can be more fun and motivating when you do it with a buddy. Team up with a friend, partner, or family member who shares the same goal. You can encourage and support each other throughout the journey. 8. Celebrate milestones. Every step you take towards your savings goal is an achievement worth celebrating. Set milestones along the way and reward yourself when you reach them. Celebrating your progress keeps you motivated and excited about your journey to homeownership. Closing. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, saving for a house requires dedication, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can make it happen. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy saving, and take care. Bye!